everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to style your hair with a head wrap, head scarf, head tie, hair, anything. So if that's something you feel you'll be interested in, or that's something you think you're going to like or enjoy, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Recent scarf that I newly got a few months back, but I'm just going to quickly measure the length so you guys would see. The width is 73 centimeters and the length is 185. That's the measurement for the scarf. I'm going to put it here and in the description box as well. We're going to go straight into the video.
Mig över telefon. Jag borde sett det komma långt ifrån. Och kom igen, bara se det då. Jag har väntat och mitt hjärta slår. När han rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Så jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. När han rullar upp i mitt hus. Så jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Rullar upp i mitt hus. Så jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt. Jag vill ha din doft i hela rummet. Min enda önskan nu. Min enda på rösten att du hade någonting att säga mig om. Du bara visat på start. Varför behövde du så lång tid? Och vad var det du kände då? Jag bryr mig för mycket om vad som har hänt. Det är inte likt mig. Det blir så tydligt att jag trillar dit. Om det är bara du som kan få mig sån. Få mig sån. Picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. Actually, more than good, kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free, wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, I'm not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me. Give me a moment to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow, the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance?